You are not free to be the real you. You are.
We are creating a boss. The boss in here is called. We have the controlling disrespectful relationship. So we are trying here to create a person who is on top and the other one below it to show like the boss has the power and doesn't care about any other person.
Where all of the groups make a sculpture. So what they do is they get a card and it's either healthy or unhealthy relationships. And so then they have to display it on the little board and make an example.
I believe I have the power, but I'm not. I don't think I should abuse of my power. Instead, I should share with everybody else. It's like encourage people to maybe say that we got to be better in life, including to other people. To be respectful, kind, loving and caring.
It was really cool because they always have really creative displays of healthy and unhealthy relationships, and they put together little hearts and mad faces for the unhealthy ones, or have different kinds of ideas, and it really brings out the creative side of the kids.